Everybody loves Brussels sprouts on Thanksgiving, but I'm gonna show you a recipe that my cooking students love all year round. I'm gonna teach you how to make Tuscan Brussels sprouts. But first, I have to tell you a secret. No one's eating Brussels sprouts in Tuscany. However, there is a way of making any of your roasted vegetables taste as if you have just come out of a villa outside of Siena. You're gonna use these three ingredients: tomato, shallot or red onion, and rosemary. Of course, you're gonna add olive oil, salt, and pepper, and in this case, we're gonna add some garlic. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna take your Brussels sprouts and you're gonna cut off the end and then just cut it in half. There you go. We are then gonna just put in some chopped tomato, some chopped shallot or red onion, and here's the rosemary. So let me teach you a little trick about rosemary. If you were to smell just the stick of rosemary, that has the flavor of the woods. So we're just gonna put pieces of rosemary directly in here. It can be whole pieces if it doesn't break easily, like this one's not, and you just throw it right in. Yes, this is getting good already. I'm adding a little bit of garlic. You can keep that out if you don't like garlic. And then olive oil. For any Italian cooking, you have to be really generous with olive oil. You have to coat each and every leaf or each and every vegetable well. And then you also must be generous with salt. So look what's happening here. I'm getting my hands into the salt and I am sprinkling it all around. And then pepper. The pepper helps balance out the salt. So give it good grinds. Fresh pepper grinding is essential for my cooking. I don't like it just right out of the jar. And then next thing, most important, get your hands in there and just mix it all around. Once it's all mixed around, you are going to lick your finger. If it tastes delicious, you're done. If you feel like it's missing something, it probably needs more salt. And you're gonna just lay it back down, put it in the oven at 400 for about 45 to 60 minutes. That is a long time, but it's gonna give a chance for all of this to caramelize. And there you have it, delicious Tuscan roasted Brussels sprouts with rosemary, tomato, and onion. The only thing, before you serve it, you have to taste it. Delicious every time.